Hello everyone, today I would like to share how to create realistic water in D5 Render. Preset water material in D5 Render is good enough, but if you want to add more details, you must take a look at this tutorial. Let's start. We used 3ds Max in this tutorial. The first thing we need to do is model preparation. We need to add enough polygons to the water surface model. The second step is to apply UVW mapping and then adjust the UV size. Then we just need to add the ripple modifier. Adjust the amplitude value to get desired height. Then adjust the wavelength to get proper ripple pattern. We can move the ripple by using Gizmo. Turn on the auto key. Then go to the last frame. Increase the wavelength value a bit. We will get this animation. Copy and paste the ripple effect to get more ripples. Then we can move the new ripple to the desired place. It is better to adjust the ripple parameters to be more realistic. Repeat this process for another ripple. We will get this result. Then we need to export this model. Don't forget to export as ABC format. Then import to D5 Render. We may need to adjust the position and scale. We will get this animation. Change the material type to water. Then increase the normal value to get more waves. Change the color as you want. Increase the depth value a bit. We can also adjust the ripple animation speed. Finally, we will get this result. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.